Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you're just joining us for the first time, welcome. Today we've got a super practical video to help you improve your spoken English using a method called shadowing. So whether you're new to learning English or just looking to sound more natural in everyday conversations, this is a great video for you. So, what is shadowing exactly? Great question. Shadowing is when you listen to a native speaker or someone speaking fluent English and repeat what they say at the same time as they say it. It's like you're shadowing their speech. This helps you in so many ways, like training your pronunciation and improving your rhythm and intonation. You also will get comfortable with real-life speaking speed and start thinking in English instead of translating in your head. It really helps improve your English skills. Today, we're going to do a simple shadowing practice using 5 common English phrases you can use when saying goodbye or see you later. Pause the video if you need to. So let's get started. Phrase 1. I'll talk to you later. I'll talk to you later. Nicely done. Phrase 2. See you around. See you around. Awesome. Phrase 3. Have a good one. Have a good one. Well done. Phrase 4. Take care and have a great day. Take care and have a great day. Good job. Phrase 5. Gotta run. Catch you later. Gotta run. Catch you later. Great job. If that felt a little fast at first, don't worry. Just keep practicing. Try replaying the video and shadowing again and again until it feels smooth and natural. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button or leave a comment below for more videos like this. And if you're looking for a fun way to test and build your English vocabulary skills between lessons, check out Translator Pup. It's a great quiz-style English learning app aimed at helping you learn vocabulary, grammar, and even idioms, all while having fun. So remember guys, keep practicing, keep speaking, and progress will happen, one sentence at a time. Catch you later.